We were planning to go to Robben Island this afternoon. However, that did not happen because it was too windy, so the boat got canceled. We find ourselves now in Stellenbosch, in what they call the Winelands. It's about an hour outside of Cape Town. And this is one of the whitest towns in South Africa. Jen, do you see any sign of white genocide happening here?
What? I'm from.
Well, I'm just asking.
Expecting something like that.
Did you notice a white genocide occurring here in Stellenbosch, here on this cutesy little street? Was that a no?
I don't know how to respond.
You don't know how to respond?
I don't see any.
You didn't notice a genocide so far? All right. We will let you know, folks, if there's any genocide occurring, but we did not see it so far. Looks like the white people here of Stellenbosch are doing quite well. There's a lot of cute little shops here, aren't there? Well, I just spoke to a woman who's her family has owned a business here for more than 100 years, since 1904 in Stellenbosch, and I asked her whether anyone will be taking advantage of Trump's refugee offer in these parts, and she said she does not think so. She said maybe up in the north of the country, that's where people will be applying for this refugee status, but not here in Stellenbosch. She said it's a big deal leaving your country, you know? It's a big deal leaving your homeland. She doesn't think people in Stellenbosch are going to take advantage of that. So I guess no signs of a white genocide here in beautiful Stellenbosch, at least yet. Very expensive little boutiques here in Stellenbosch. Jewelry shops. Lots of wine bars, obviously. Wine bars and bistros. Could take a look and see if, let's see some houses for sale. This one is 9 million rand, 3 million rand, 9.6 million rand. Doesn't seem like people are giving their houses away here. It's 18 to the dollar. So I don't think people are just quickly selling their houses to get the hell out of the country. Doesn't look like it. More expensive little boutiques. With some beautiful stylish clothing, and across from that you have a little sushi bar here in this leafy courtyard alleyway. Over here you have a wellness sanctuary and a coffee shop called Kauai. Yeah, what do you think? Pretty nice, right? Yeah, I don't think there's any genocide occurring here in Stellenbosch of white people. Does not seem to be happening, folks. Interesting, though. Beautiful town. Wine estate now, outside of Stellenbosch. Very posh place, as you can see. Some really neat artwork in here, huh, Jen? Nice fireplace. Sun keeps coming in and out. I've taken my sunglasses on and off about 15 times today. But pretty fancy place. It's a Thursday afternoon around 4 o'clock, so these places are getting ready to close down.
This one is slightly more starting to get older or starting to adapt in the soap.
Try it, Jen.
It's quite high in tannins as well. It doesn't have that. 70% of this wine goes to the new barrel to get the structure in the body. 30% goes to the second fill to neutralize the first part.
Yeah. Glug, glug, glug. Look at the size of Mom's glass. That's gigantic. Look at that. Put that next to your face so we can see. Put that next to your face, closer to the face so we can see the size of it. Wow. And what is it that you're trying?
Muscat.
What on earth is that?
It's named after the mountain here.
But what kind of wine is it?
It's only found here on this mountain.
That's it?
Named Muscat.
That's it. And how does it taste?
That's what I just said. It's not a Merlot. It's not a.
All right. How does it taste?
They said it has like berry and chocolate in it.
Berry and chocolate. James.
Did you like it? Did you like it? Well, this is the winner for me right here. It's the port. See, he said they're not allowed to call it port, right? They're right, John? It has to be from Porto to be called port, right? But this port right here,
Cape Vintage, it's called.
Cape Vintage Port. First of all, the smell of this stuff. Oh. You smell the oak. So smoky and sweet.
It is really good.
Oh, that is amazing. It is syrupy sweet.
Yeah.
That's what I like. That's amazing right there, isn't it? That is a treat. We've only got a few hours left in the Cape region, so we decided to come out to Franschhoek. We were in Stellenbosch the other day, so we thought, let's try Franschhoek. This is the Lamont Winery. We're going to have a little bit of breakfast, I think, and just look around this beautiful area before we have to fly out to Durban to continue our trip. But this is a very pretty winery here. It's called Lamont. And here we go. Let's check this place out. Give you a little view of the place. Boy, there's tight security getting into these wineries too. I'm telling you, man, you got to show them your driver's license. They're not just going to let in, they're not going to let in any riffraff to these wineries. I'll tell you that much, man. They had to scan our driver's license and everything. They've got a gate. It's very serious security here. And I guess you could understand why, wouldn't you? This is the sort of lobby area. Very pretty. Boy, this place fancy. Lovely setting here. You walk through the garden. And then you can sit out here and enjoy your brunch. It's lovely. Beautiful. Looks good. Around this place. This is the bakery area. This place is just full of light. I have to love it. Some nice looking pastries here, cupcakes. Excuse me, sweetheart. Tarts and things like that. Pieces of cake. And of course, some nice loaves of fresh bread. You can sit inside too here if you want. Some nice drinks. Cafes. What a lovely place to spend a Sunday morning, isn't it? There's some housewares for sale here. Mugs and things. We've been waiting for the sun to come out too, man. And it's finally getting sunny just as we're about to leave Cape Town. Holy crap, man. We've been waiting for this weather. Man, have we been waiting for the sun to come out and to see some blue skies. And it is like, God, it seems like absolute paradise out here now all of a sudden. All of a sudden, as we're about to leave, we're getting the weather we've been wanting all along. But better late than never, right? This is just spectacular. Absolutely beautiful. What a setting to have brunch at this morning. Just a gorgeous place. You know, just walking through this beautiful garden, sitting amongst all of these affluent people having their Sunday brunch out here at the winery in Franschhoek, surrounded by these gorgeous mountains. It's incredible setting here. It makes you think about just how lucky all of us people are. This morning I was out in the Township, and what's the difference between all of us, these fortunate people here, and the people in this township that I was in this morning in Cape Town? No difference. We're all the same, really. Are these people any harder working? Are they smarter? Are they more honest? No. They just were born in a more fortunate circumstance. That's it. It's very jarring to experience these things back to back, to come to this super beautiful upscale winery and to see all of this magnificent splendor after just being in this township where you have wastewater running down the street and people living in zinc shacks. Just like that's the way South Africa is. Tremendous amount of disparity. And you have to just thank your lucky stars if you were not born into a situation like that. I'm glad I was able to give a few donations out this morning. Maybe I should have given even more. I don't know. But you don't want to be a walking ATM and get mobbed by people. But I did help a couple of people out. And next time I go back, I'll do even more. Food has arrived. Looks really good. Here's my French toast. What'd you get, Jen? Avocado toast? Yeah. Some avocado toast. Looks delicious. Got my own little pot of sausages here. This has got to be one of the best French toasts I've ever had in my life. My son said that it would be the best of his life if it had syrup on it, but I'm thinking this thing does not really need syrup because it's got this cream. What kind of cream do you think this is, Jen?
It's ricotta,
Oh, it's ricotta cream.
but it's sweet.
And it has all these delicious fresh berries on it. This is amazing.
And honey, too, I believe.
And honey. Amazing.
This is an enormous amount of avocado.
Pointing out here the amount of avocado they've given her.
Avocados.
They've given her an insane amount of avocado here.
With avocado.
And in case you're wondering too, the prices are not crazy here at all, are they, John? No. Considering the quality. Good. Here's the main restaurant. This is lovely. Beautiful. What a pretty place. This place has its own room.
How can we repay you, Lord? How can we repay you, oh Lord? How kind you are. You send your word to heal us. You send your love and peace. You send your love and peace. How can we repay you, Lord? How can we repay you, oh Lord?
Finishing up our Franschhoek afternoon. It's a nice little walk down downtown here. It's kind of a one street downtown. Seems like there's a lot of nice little restaurants and businesses here. Not too busy on a Sunday. As you can see, expensive little galleries and shops. I'd say if you're coming to this area and you want to stay overnight in the Winelands, if you want to stay in a larger town, go to Stellenbosch. There's a university there, a little busier. If you want to stay in a nice small town, Franschhoek is the way to go. I would probably stay in Franschhoek, to be honest with you. So a couple notes about these towns. So Franschhoek was founded by French Huguenots, so that's the influence here. Whereas Stellenbosch is a Dutch town, was founded by the Dutch. And so different influences here. This town is also more known for its white wines, and Stellenbosch is more known for their reds. Backdrop here downtown, you see the mountains right over those buildings. It's just a lovely setting on a beautiful winter day like today. We couldn't resist making one more stop on the way to the airport. Went to a beautiful winery here called Babylonstoren, which has donkeys that you can feed if you feel like buying them some carrots or gelato. There is a gelato shop here. I don't know whether the donkeys eat that stuff or not, but it's a lovely place. It's well known for its gardens, this winery, and I guess it's donkeys in addition to its wine, obviously. So some carrots for the donkeys, 30 rands for this bad boy, and these ladies have assured me that the donkeys remain hungry all day long, because we're getting here, what is it, like 2, 3 o'clock, James? And so the donkeys have been getting fed all day, but they say the donkeys are perpetually hungry. So let's see. Here you go, sweetheart. Here you go. Look at these friendly donkeys. They're very greedy, aren't they? Look at that. Jen, do you want to feed the donkeys? Here. Let Jen feed the donkeys. I like these donkeys.
Can I have any?
Yeah. Coffee with water buffalo milk here, which I have never heard of before. And they also have water buffalo flavored ice cream. Hey guys, how are you? I'm making a little video. I've never heard of the water buffalo coffee before, the water buffalo ice cream. Can you explain that?
So it's a little bit sweeter, creamier, higher in protein, high in vitamin A, low in
Is it?
cholesterol, so very good for you.
Is it common in South Africa or no?
No, so it's not common.
It's unusual?
It's unusual.
All right. Thank
We
you.
have our own herd, so they are just on the farm, so they graze here and they get milk here also.
All right.
We use the milk not only for the coffee, but also for the pastries.
For the pastries too, huh?
Yes, sir, for all the gelato on the farm, for all the cheeses like the mozzarella,
Nice.
bocconcini, halloumis,
Wow.
some yogurts also.
Nice.
And then we have some meat products also with the water.
Meat with the water buffalo. Nice. Thank you.
Some patties and some mince.
Gelato. This is the caramel and date.
Can I try the spiced rooibos
Bob.
and the caramel date brandy? Oh, try two.
I would like to try the rooibos too, please. How do you pronounce that one?
Spice rooibos.
Spiced rooibos. Let's take a nice walk here. What a place for a walk. This looks like a lovely spot to fly the drone, isn't it? Let's do a little drone flight and see what we can come up with here. Well, folks, I think we will leave this video right here. Hope you enjoyed this interesting day that we had traveling to Franschhoek and also earlier on the Townships. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, appreciate it if you like it, comment on it, subscribe, set up the notifications so you do not miss a single thing of our adventure. We are heading out to Durban tonight on a flight, and then out into the Drakensberg Mountains, then down into Lesotho, up into Swaziland, and then we're going to be doing some safaris. So don't miss any of the fun, folks. Thanks so much. Appreciate you, and see you in the next adventure.